welcome to Career Compass, A-Level Specialist Series, an initiative by Beacon House College Program, Karakoram Campus. This series will feature A-Level faculty who will engage into insightful discussion with me. Each series we will be focusing on a specific A-Level subject and the connection to the future career pathways and placements. Through these insightful conversations, our students will get to know how their academic choices impact their career and professional journeys. We will also equip them with the knowledge to make informed decisions. Starting with sociology, in a rapidly changing world, sociology not only provides a platform for our students to explore the processes that shape the current change, but also help them understand the diversity and complexity of human society. With me, I have Ms. Shazia Rizwan, an expert sociology teacher. Please, Ma'am Shazia, can you introduce yourself?
Thank you, Sahar. Assalamu alaikum, this is Shazia Rizwan. I've been associated with the education sector for over 23 years now in different roles. Currently, I'm teaching sociology at BCP Karakoram campus.
Ma'am Shazia, I recently met one of your students, Sheriyar Khan, during my visit to University of Northern Iowa, and I was impressed by the strong connection that you have with your students. How do you define rapport building in terms of our students' academic growth and motivation?
I think for a teacher, this is the most rewarding thing if a student has mentioned me with you with positive memories that he has about me. So I believe with students, it's love, care, respect that reciprocates. And when it does, it reciprocates, it actually paves the way to a growth mindset, to academic excellence. So my formula has always been that learn your students, know about them before you take them to a journey of teaching and learning.
If we talk specifically about sociology, what career pathways are associated with students who want to take up sociology in their A-levels? And what kinds of skills are developed during their study time when they're studying sociology? How does that impact or prepare them for taking up the particular careers?
So sociology is basically a study of human society and how it functions. For me, I guess sociology, because it is an extended course of social studies that the students study during their curriculum of the primary levels, sociology is acting as a baseline to all career paths that the students want to take up. I'll just give you a few examples. So if the students are taking up human sciences and they are opting for, say, psychology or business studies or economics, public administration, or even law, by studying sociology, they get the entire context of how the society is functioning, what role is everyone playing, and what role are they not playing and they're supposed to do. So that provides sort of like a very basic study for them to take off to any other subject. The second thing is that people usually associate sociology with human sciences. Even the science students can take up sociology as a fourth subject, as an additional subject. One small example that I can mention over here is an engineering student when studies sociology and pursues engineering in future as a professional career, they would know the ethics of engineering development, or they can maybe think about the product that they are producing as engineers, whether it benefits the society or is it harmful for the society. So if you look at it this way, I believe sociology would actually act as a launchpad, and it does not restrict any sort of career choices for any field that the students want to take. So if you ask me, and if I'm the decision maker, I'd probably say sociology should be a mandatory subject for everyone.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Shazia. It was impressive to hear this side of sociology, and I hope it caters to the questions and queries that our upcoming students who want to pursue sociology in A-levels, and this guidance will help them in making wise decisions.